My name is Christer Kitley. I am Smart Cloud Technologies. I am a mobile network operator for South Africa. It means I provide a service using the Hytera PPOC 3000 mobile network operator platform. I provide push-to-talk services for South Africa using the Hytera brand. The biggest problem I faced in South Africa is a quality platform and product, as most end users deal with the product directly, and that has an effect on the platform itself. If the product's bad, they assume the platform is bad. Therefore, standardizing on a quality brand and product was important to me. Most brands out there either supply hardware but not the software, or the software and not the hardware. So compatibility and integration was important to me, as this faced the issue itself. I simply chose Hytera brand because of the call system and the quality of the products itself. The products are IP rated, it's rugged, it's durable, it will last. The call setups is clear, crisp, and it's quick response. I would say the system benefits me, as Hytera has given me the opportunity to provide a tier 1 network in South Africa for South Africa. I empower my dealers where they can provide solutions to their customers. As the platform is a full-on multimedia system hosted in the cloud, I'm able to supply a majority of services in the industry, such as body cam services, push-to-talk services, multimedia, GPS tracking, voice services.
My name is James. I'm from a company called Connect Systems. I have started my company about 5 years ago, and I was faced with a huge challenge with regards to PTT's platforms, products, support, and I have looked around and I came across a company called Smart Cloud Technologies, which is the tier 1 network provider for South Africa. I have approached them. Smart Cloud Technologies was a good solution to me because they were focusing on the network and I could focus on my clients' requirements. They are providing a good quality platform. I'm using the Hytera product, which is a good, rugged, robust product, good quality, good audio, good response, and it works superbly on the platform that was presented by Smart Cloud Technologies. They are giving me the backup and the support. It is locally hosted. The response time is very quick because it's hosted in South Africa. The Hytera brand is a product that comes with an IP rating. It is dust proof, it is waterproof, and it is also impact proof. The product comes with a standard 2-year manufacturer's warranty, and when you need to speak to an engineer, it's on the other side of the line. You pick up the phone, you phone the engineers, they quickly revert to the problem, they rectify the problem, and they come with a solution. The Hytera platform that is supplied and hosted by Smart Cloud Technologies is local, hosted in South Africa, which means that the product is quick. The response is clear. There's very little jitter. The hosting company is locally in South Africa, situated in Stellenbosch, and I've got a direct line between the Smart Cloud Technology engineering team and the hosting company. So problem solving is quick. The turnaround time is quick. The solutions to my clients on an end-to-end basis is seamlessly operational. Any company that wants to strive and make a success needs to have a passion for the trade, needs to have a passion for his product and needs to have a passion for these clientele base. We try to be in touch with our clients. We try to be on the floor. We try to deal with a problem. When the problem persists immediately, we try to do the turnaround time for problem solving as quick as possible, and the client like to deal with us because of the product that we're using, and the Hytera is an upmarket, well branded and good quality of product that can fulfill their requirements.
My name is Kevin Tescus. I'm the CEO of VO Connect. VO Connect is a national first-tier service provider in the connectivity and internet space, as well as hosting. We supply enterprise customers like Smart Cloud Technologies with services that can host their product, that can connect to our networks, and supply services to international customers. So VO Connect supplies services to many top quality brands in South Africa. When Smart Cloud Technologies approached us, we were very keen to partner with them, as well as the Hytera brand, and we feel that the services that Smart Cloud Technologies provides are not just a good quality product, but a good quality product for the security industry that demands high uptime, high availability, and professional services.
My name is Roland Gisler, and I head up the hosting services division of VO Connect. We were approached by Smart Cloud Technologies to assist them in finding a suitable solution for their requirements to host the Hytera platform. Initially, they intended to buy servers and host them somewhere in an environment and manage them themselves. And we did a cost analysis and cost-benefit analysis for them. And it turned out that having a hosted solution that is managed by professionals in a professional and in a redundant environment is far more beneficial than having your own servers. So that made them decide to rather use a hosted service than having their own servers. The benefits of going with a hosted partner become apparent when you compare it to what the alternatives are. So having your own servers means you have to have redundant power supplies, you need redundant internet connections, you need a whole lot of technical support services, and you need a safe environment where your servers get kept. All those things are provided in a hosted environment, and they come at a much lower cost than if you had to provide these services yourself. So we have our equipment set up in a fashion that allows services to continuously run, whether even a node or two go down for whatever reason, because hardware does break. It does not interrupt the services. Services continue running, and we can guarantee services to customers in such an environment. And it made the choice for Smart Cloud really simple to choose VO Connect rather than going their own server route. Hytera software solutions very much depend, or the requirements for the solution depends on the volume of customers that they have. And in a cloud hosted environment, because our servers are virtualized and Smart Cloud servers are virtualized, it is easy to add additional capacity whenever they need it. So as they grow and expand, we can add additional processors, we can add additional memory, we can add additional storage, we can spin up additional machines for them as they need them, and in that way we can grow the service as the customer demand grows. And we can also grow it over various or different areas, like the Gauteng region or the Cape Town region or even the Durban region, so that customers are as close as possible to their service point, so that the latency and the jitter and any other aspects of a service that influence the quality of the calls or the video recordings are all kept to a minimum.
True is a leading telecommunication and digital services provider in Thailand. We got started with being a telecom company. We started with fixed line, then mobile and pay TV. So we are the first telecom convergence mobile operators, and we are leading this convergence operator in Thailand. And right now we are moving forwards into the new digital technologies providers. So we are building the ecosystem for digital services in Thailand. And right now we are moving towards that as a new S-curve, and we are the leading in the market right now. Customer also requires that with this new critical communication services, it should be able to deliver the service which is much more advanced. For example, like multimedia services, they should be able to not only talk but can send multimedia files like video or pictures. At the same time, they can dispatch this kind of multimedia throughout the groups. And also I think there are also other on top digital services that requires for this kind of new critical communication services. It could include also like the IoT services, the IoT equipment that could be plugged in on top of normal digital, normal voice services that they used to do in the past. So I think these are also the challenge and new requirements that pop up from the customers, and we need to find the right partner who can fulfill all this. So with those challenges that it come to the point where we need to find the right solution partners who can provide complete critical communication solution for our customers. So we've been searching a lot to find the right partner with few criteria that we are trying to achieve. First of all, we need someone who is very credible in this industry, have good references. Okay. Secondly, they have to be able to provide the complete end-to-end solutions. Meaning, we need the solution from providing the handset, devices, to the systems, to the applications. Also, the add-on features like dispatching management and all this kind of stuff. And I think we found a lot of candidates, and at the end we found that Hytera could be our very strong partner to go after this critical communication market in Thailand. Hytera is the only few companies that during our evaluation that we found come with the complete solutions end to end, ranging from the devices, the terminals, applications, switching backend, dispatching equipment, everything. Okay, and on top of that, they provide very good professional services. When it comes to the implementation, they have a very good local support team, because we need to do a lot of integration with our customers. And in this case, we are talking about integrating the sort of critical communication trunk mobile system like communication to our existing commercial LTE network, which is 4G LTE network, and in the future it's gonna be 5G, which is coming. So I think we found that they are very professional. They have a very good team implementing all this. And the last thing is that after the implementation, they also provide a very good customer support to us and also to our end users. So they think this is why we found Hytera being our very strong partner here in Thailand. So I think all in all, any operators in the world, would like to find a good reference partner to develop the critical communication on top of their existing commercial 4G or 5G networks. Very practical and good choice based on our experience. They are very professional. They have a wide range of products and very reliable in terms of both products and also people and team that they have. very reliable. So I think we have a very good experience with them here. Thank you.
各位好，我是中国移动香港公司解决方案中心王佳宁。随着 5G 技术和商业应用的逐步成熟，更多的企业客户开始投放资源用于企业的数字化转型，从而提升营运效率和拓展商机。中国移动香港公司可以为企业客户提供一站式的 5G 行业应用解决方案。很多客户有专用大型通信网络业务的需求，如何在行内找到专业的、可信赖的合作伙伴，是我们首先遇到的挑战。我们了解到，海能达是全球领先的集群通信设备提供商，在市场耕耘多年，基于窄带专网的领先优势和宽带技术上面的持续投入，在市场保持领先地位。因此，我们也希望与海能达达成合作，为香港客户提供更多先进和专业的解决方案。优质的 5G 网络覆盖，领先的 5G 网络服务，是中国移动香港公司的优势。通过与海能达的强合作，我们可以为客户提供基于 5G 的数字集群通信解决方案，包括 MCS 平台、行业终端以及配套的服务，可以满足不同行业客户的丰富的应用场景。近期也是我们通过与海能达的合作，刚刚在香港本地的一个交通项目上成功中标。相信通过与海能达的合作，在为行业客户带来新价值的同时，也为运营商带来新的收入增长点，实现双赢。